Welcome. In front of me is a REALME P3, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings application and then scroll all the way down to System and Update, and then select Backup and Reset. Here, choose Reset Phone and then erase all data. It gives you a quick message: permanently clear all data. Erase. We're gonna select the clear all data unless you want to retain your eSIM profile, but I don't. Then clear all data. It gives you again a quick message: all data, including your eSIM information, will be cleared permanently. This operation cannot be undone, but won't cancel any mobile. Oh, I mean that's just SIM card, so it doesn't really matter. So yeah, it basically removes every kind of data, including photos, videos, applications, documents, anything like that. Done. You can create a backup on the previous page, but I don't want to backup anything, so I will select clear data, or just clear in here, and it's gonna begin factory resetting the device. Now this process will take about a minute, 2 minutes or so to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.